everyone, it's me Shireen, and for today's video, we're on our way para pumunta sa CPR training, hands-only training. Let's go!
Workers, we have students, and many more, okay? Of oxygen deprivation to cause irreversible brain damage. Ibig sabihin, sa 3 minuto, pag walang oxygen ng utak, irreversible na ang brain damage. Okay, so mga 80 managers. Ang tawag natin doon yung basic life support. First batch, roll na to. Ito sa likod. First batch, merong 60 people dito sa harapan.
This is a hands-only CPR, so if you're going to hands-only CPR someone, so you have to pump them 200. So para malaman mo yung gap seconds ng numbers, you gotta count 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. So that's 4 pumps. So you're going to use the 1000 as a gap second for the number of pumps na ipro-provide mo sa isang tao. Also, if you're too lazy to count naman, you can pumps. Sing Baby Shark to dururut-durut. So, that's it. Nagsakit tumang ko guys, hanak sanay. Ahon pagkargaan to. Ngayon, paalis na kami guys. Kami mga alas 5. Ang sasaktan dito.